Hey guys, new subscribers. So, I've been struggling with acne lately. Apparently, puberty remembered me at the age of 27. So yeah, ever since then, I've been looking into face washes that help reduce acne. And after much research, I decided to buy this product, mainly because it had awesome reviews and it was affordable. Because my broke ass can't really handle like a $35 face wash. So in today's product review, I'm gonna be reviewing the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser by COSRX. And even though there are a lot of videos on YouTube about this cleanser, well, at least from the ones that I watched, nobody really showed the effect of this face wash on actual acne and the healing process over the course of several days. So in this video, I'm gonna show you actual footage of how my acne evolved after using this product. If you don't know, I use each product for at least a month before giving my honest review. I also use my mom as a guinea pig as well because I have combination skin, dry skin, and oily T-zone, but my mom has oily skin, so in this review you will get feedback for both ends of the spectrum. First and foremost, did it break me out? Because it would be kind of ironic to use it for acne and then it gives you more acne. So thank God this product did not break me out, and your girl has the most sensitive skin in the world, so that's always amazing. 2, I saw a lot of conflicting reviews saying that it's not drying at all and others saying it's so damn drying. I gotta admit, it's really drying. And I personally used it in 2 types of weather. Yes, in my village, which is super dry, and in the city, which is super humid. And in both climates, it felt really drying. However, after several uses, I don't know, maybe my skin got used to it, but with time, it felt less and less drying. But of course, moisturizing is an essential after using this product. And I'm saying this from the perspective of both dry skin, combination skin, and oily skin. Even though its effect on oily skin is obviously less drying, it's still drying. And now I'm gonna show you how my acne healed up over the course of, I think, 10 days after using this product. One thing I should mention, which is applicable to any product really, getting rid of acne is not instantaneous. So don't have unrealistic expectations that after using any acne product, it will immediately disappear. It needs time and patience, which is a word that I freaking hate, but it is what it is. So as you can see from the pics, it actually did help reduce my acne. One thing that is not too obvious in the pictures, I had severe swelling, but it wasn't all that visible because obviously it was subcutaneous. So I want to point out that this product also helped reduce inflammation. And I can confidently say that my acne was completely gone in 2 weeks. This also includes the phase where this product also helped brighten the residual dark spots left by acne. And now for application. So one thing I really dislike about this product is its smell. I don't know if just mine smells like that or it's a common thing, but it smells like plastic and I don't like it whatsoever. So just keep that in mind when you weigh the pros and the cons. I usually use a pea size for cleansers. This one I used more than a pea size by just a smidge. So I see this much. Okay. It's very gel-like, as you can see, both color and consistency. Very jelly. And yep, I just lather it up. Usually I put water on my hands as well, but since I'm doing it in my bedroom, so yeah. I just want to say it doesn't foam up as much as other products, but oh well, I think this is how it actually works. Oh, then, see, not a lot of foam. So I'm gonna wash my face and be right back.
Few moments later.
And I'm back. My skin feels so damn soft. Oh, I love touching my face. Also, I forgot to mention, the sebum control for this gel cleanser is on another level. I haven't had oily pores in over a month. This is unprecedented for me. I bought it off of Amazon, so if you're interested in purchasing the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser by COSRX, I'll leave a link down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. So yep, this is it for my product review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was informative. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon in more videos. Bye!